Okay, so I just got my OnePlus open, guys. I've always wanted a folding phone since Samsung, at least their first or second generation ones, but no phone really caught my attention until this one. So let's do unboxing. Let's see how it is. Okay, let's do an unboxing, guys. As you can see, classic OnePlus Red. Okay, let's open this bad boy up. See what we're dealing with. Ooh, I like the packaging. Never settle. Their slogan, signature red. I really like this dimension for the fold, guys. You can see even with the packaging, very good size, good for reading, being productive. I think it's 7.2 inches. Ooh, this camera bump, guys. That's definitely more like a camera planet. Definitely a statement. I'm gonna have to test that out. Okay, this is the phone. Let's see what else they got here. Okay, thank you OnePlus. You actually have a power brick here. You are no Apple, no Samsung, none of that. Guys, get a power brick. We're paying so much for the phone. You need to include this. Okay, what's in here? Let's see. Oh, they give you a case. It's a pretty good plus. Case that wraps around the paperwork. Okay, let's see. It's not bad. It's like silicone, I think. Get the job done for most people. Okay, let's see what's in here. Ooh, classic red USB-C to 3.0. Nice. Okay, welcome, benefits, membership card. Okay, we got the red cable club. Sure. Quick guide, safety guide. Yeah, stickers and a pin. Nice. Okay, is there anything else underneath here? I don't think so. Yeah, I think that's everything, guys. So let's get to the meat and potato, which is the phone. Alright, let's take this look. Ooh, this material is like nice and textured. It's like vegan leather. I like it. This is also the black version, guys, so it comes with this material in North America. This kind of suede back, no fingerprint material. And that also makes it, I think, 6 grams lighter than the emerald green. Alright, beautiful, guys. Beautiful fold. Oh, this is the perfect size I want in a foldable. Looks just like a smartphone. Normal candy bar, open up. Can barely see the crease. Alright, let's see if this is charged. Speakers here. Really feels premium, guys. Feels premium in your hands. Definitely feels like OnePlus didn't cheap out on this. And this is pretty much like the Oppo Find N3, except for the American versions. So for the West, like where we live, this would be the phone for us. Okay, guys, I'm gonna turn it on and see. OnePlus logo, powered by Android. Okay, some setup. Hello. Okay, England. Okay, I'm just gonna do some of this setup, guys. Just be right back. Okay, we are back, guys. As you can see, very nice display. I like how they kind of broke it off into these 2 sections over here, right in the middle. You have a taskbar here where you could just flip through the apps. If you go to the left side, has your news. Pretty much tracks anything you're doing from your Google account. Yeah, you could go to your apps here. Okay, we'll do that later. Navigation gestures. Let's check out Facebook. Enable split view for flexible view. Okay, sure. Interesting. You just hold it to do that. Okay, let's update this. Okay, so what I like the most about this phone right now, guys, it actually doesn't feel heavy. You can barely see the crease, even though it's dark right now. And I really like the keyboard, so if I do... Like, the keyboard's perfect size for my fingers. Let's see. Yeah, really good. I'm really digging this phone right now, guys. I will probably make a review on the phone after using it for a week or two. But so far, first impressions, feels premium. Oh, by the way, it comes with fast charging, no wireless charging though. But OnePlus says you could charge the phone from 0 to 100 in 42 minutes. So I'm going to test that. Battery life's been pretty good. When I opened it, it was 53%. Even after through all the installations at 50%. It's really good dimensions. The only thing is it isn't IPX8 dust resistant or water resistant, but it is IPX4, which honestly I'm gonna test it out. The only thing I'll be concerned is the dust, but IPX4 may be good for most people. Okay, this is YouTube, guys. Perfect screen ratio, splits directly in the middle. Yeah, pretty good to me. Okay, let's look at some of the pre-installed apps over here. IR remote, what is this? Okay, looks like using your phone as a remote here. Files. What is this? Clone phone. Oh, this is pretty nice. Notes. It's really nice too. Calculator. I guess the most recent over here. Yeah, it's really nice, guys. Okay, let's test out the case now. Okay, we got the back camera bump one. Snap it on like that. Pretty easy. Ooh, you definitely feel a weight to it though. Some of my dog's hair out of there. That's what it looks like with the case. What do you think, guys? Makes it slightly heavier. I don't know, I'm gonna test if the case is needed, but that's alright for now. Let's test the finger ID. Where is it? Oh, interesting, it's not working. Let me see if I have it enabled or if that's just finicky. Okay, fingerprint face. Let's test out the volume. The volume has this settings for media, ring, or notification, which I think is pretty cool. Let's see again. What is this? It's no text. I think that's no text. Okay, let's check out the lock screen again. So, power button. Okay. Okay, it's kind of finicky, honestly. You have to do the exact tip right over here. But I'll get used to it. Yeah, overall, guys, I dig this phone. I like the candy bar. It looks exactly like a smartphone when it's folded. When you unfold it, you can barely see the crease. I can't see the crease at all, honestly. It's a beautiful display, biggest that I've seen. Has a pretty, I think it's the best camera out of any folding phone. And yeah, it has the latest specs. Yeah, I'm not a wireless charging guy, so that's not a big deal for me, but I know that's a deal breaker for some people. But first impressions, I really like this phone. It feels really premium. Feels like folding phones have come a long way, and I'm excited to use it. Yeah, thanks for checking out, guys. Take care.